So I've got 5 minutes today. I'm so busy this week with turning 40 tomorrow, yay, that I'm going away and everything else, family coming, that I haven't really had much time to post anything on here, but I thought I would do a bit of a kit rundown. So next week I'm going away, and then when we're back the next day I've got to shoot a headshot stroke corporate shoot type thing. So I need to get my kit ready now, like a week before, so when I come back it's all ready and laid out. And going through that process each time, I thought maybe it would be quite interesting to just show you what I pack for these sorts of jobs. Now the studio is a bit of a dump, as always. It's never not. But I thought I'd run it through. I'm going to do this all in one take, so I haven't got to edit this video. So let me spin this around. Make sure there's nothing on show that it's embarrassing. Right, here we go. So when I was at the photo show, there was this company that was selling cheap. Now I'm not saying they were off the back of a lorry. I'm not saying that at all. But that was the impression, as in they were so cheap that it was too good to be true. So it's these Godox bags that I think are actually designed for panel lights that Godox make. They had a whole load of these and they were like 54 quid and they should be 100. So I thought, well, I'll buy 2 and I'll use them for my kit. So yeah, the guy gave me them 50 quid each. And also they came with these nice little pouches here that are really sturdy, so I don't know what I'm going to use them for. But I've utilised these. So I've got one that's going to take my lights that I take everywhere. These 2 Godox 400 lights, 8400. It's 8600. Oh god, I can't remember. Can't much get out. But this one will take all my lights, 2 cables there, and then I was thinking what to do with the other one, but I thought actually this one could just house all the bits that need to come with me. So there's a reflector there, extension lead that I'll always need, small stand, although I've got a stand bag, but I just thought that one fits in here, so that's nice. That can mean I've always got one with me. What else have we got in here? Oh, get off. This is like a mini background stand, so the legs splay out and it's just a very short stand for if you want to light a backdrop and have it very low. And this thing, it's not groundbreaking, but it's one of the best investments I made. It's just a magnetic background holder. So when you've got a pop-up like Lasterlight background, these 2 magnets here will grip hold of it, stick this on a light stand, hoist it up high, and then it will hold that, or you can use it if you're using a bit of bounce. It's brilliant. I've got that off eBay age ago. That's the brand. I think others make it, but that's really good. So yeah, so that's all that kit that I had packed, and now I've just taken it out for this video, but hey ho. So I've got my Triflector, which is this is a Lasterlight one. This is off eBay, and this was some second-hand thing. It's kind of falling apart. The silver in it, you can see here, the silver in it is starting to sort of flake away, so it's really annoying. It comes off in your hands, but it'll do for now till I need to upgrade. So that opens up into 3 panels. They go under the subject's chin, sort of at waist level, bounce light back up, just to give a really nice fill for headshots. And then this is massive pop-up white backdrop, so that'll go on the magnetic stand. I've got a C stand, which is a bit overkill, to be honest. I don't take this to everything, but with this job it's quite a big space that I've got. So I have my main key light on this, it's on wheels. I've got the space just to move it about. It just feels nice and sturdy, because the other stand I've got, which is up there on the wall, you can't see because I'm pointing, the black pole, that's good and done me well, but actually it's got a big bend in it, so it's really annoying to pop up. Right, this, oh, it's my hand, sorry, I was wondering what that was. This is my new-ish flat pack softbox. So yeah, it's 100 centimeters, and it well, as it says, it flat packs, so it pops up, clicks onto my lights really quickly, and I don't have to take all the poles out, and it goes really quite thin, so it stores away nicely. So that's been a really good investment. Tripod, because I'll be shooting on a 70 to 200mm lens, so it's nice, and obviously I just want a consistency with headshots, so it's nice to just have the camera fixed. And then this will be the backdrop, this old, just an old Lastelite, oh where does it say? Yeah, an old Lastelite stand that is 10 times better than all the cheapy ones I've bought over the years, so that's like my go-to one. If I can use one stand, it's this one, because it's solid. For a light stand, it's solid. So they'll go in there. What else have we got? And then let's go to the nice bit. This is the camera. So I'll be shooting on my Tamron 70 to 200 lens, which is the old Nikon fit. Oh, I can't remember the mounts, what they're called. But that's the old fit, so therefore I need to use the FTZ in order to convert that to work on my Z8, which is this, which is the best camera I've ever owned, bar my D850, which I regrettably sold. And on this I have, and always have on all my cameras, have an L bracket, so that means it clips in and out of the tripod in portrait or landscape really easily. Haven't got to change it. It makes the thing beefier, it makes it heavier, which is a downside, but I find it feels more secure in my hands. Other lenses I've got, so this is 24 to 70. There we go. 24 to 70. This is a workhorse. I use this all the time, and on this job I will be shooting some environmental office shots as well, so this is what I would use. And then this is another favourite, but I don't use it very much. This is my Sigma Art 85. Again, this is on the old Nikon mount, so it needs the FTZ, but I love this lens for portraits. It more comes out in here when I'm doing studio work. What else have we got? This is a bag of bits, so all like tripod-y bits and Allen keys, and this thing's good. If you can get hold of one of these, they're handy to have. Another base plate for my tripod. Batteries, I use this rubbishy Neewer thing just to shove batteries in there. This was another camera show purchase, Calumet. I thought they had died, but there's a whole brand of Calumet now that I think Wex were selling, just to put all cards in and stuff like that. They never seem to hold enough that you want. It's always a compromise. It's either 6 XQD cards or whatever they're called, and you only need 4 and you want the rest to be SDs, and it's, yeah, but that seemed to be a good compromise, that one. This is the trigger. This is a Godox, I don't know, what's it called? There you go, X Pro N. They've got newer ones out, but this seems to work fine, so there's no need to change that. And this is my color checker Passport, which I probably won't use. I always have good intentions of getting this all set up for headshots, you know, so I'm organised for my edit when I get back and the colours are correct, but I come home and I realise I didn't use it, so it sits in there. What else? Well, that's it, I think. That's it for this job. Let's turn you back around. That's it for this job. That was a pretty typical pack up for my corporate work. That's it. Right, see you next time. Ciao.